Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. After a very long break, we are meeting again. You must be wondering where I have been vanished or where I have been. I never went anywhere. I'm here itself. I'm very much busy in my life.
Hot fence, we been up, not up. Next. Don't rush.
So in my last video, I have shown you what and all plants I bought from the nursery. So after that, my garden has grown a little bit more. With lots of experiments in seedlings. I planted some seeds, some surprising plants in my garden. A new family member to my family. He's 7 months old. The family, Saluki. We kept him name as Jake Saluki. So my life was like a roller coaster with lots of ups and downs, lots of crazy moments, lots of mood swings because of him. He is such a naughty puppy. First I didn't want, without my willingness, my husband, he adopted this dog, this puppy. So first I was upset with him because I knew how puppies will be. Mother of 3 kids with a garden, with my own passion. I was a little bit disturbed with him, so that was my craziness those days. Then later, it took some days to adopt with him. He's such a good, lovely puppy, very friendly puppy. Even though he belongs to a horn family, he is a pet for us now. He's a guard dog now. So if you ask me to talk about him, I'll be talking a lot about him. He became one of my favorites. So about him, I'll do another video because he's a special breed. So next, there came my kids' exams. Was busy in that. Simultaneously with the gardening also. Lots of tests in the gardening. We had some competition with me and my kids. I will show you what was the competitions. And I had some surprising seedlings which I didn't sow. I think it's a gift from God, somewhat like that. I'm so happy in that. To be frank, when I wake up, within few minutes the night comes and I sleep. That's it. I don't know how my day went. I was so busy. Hi guys, these lovely flowers are welcoming you to my beautiful and small garden paradise. And here comes one more new addition to my terrace garden, water lily, which I was dreaming of having this one. So here I have 2 colors. One it's like dark pink, another one I'm not sure of which color it is. So I have to wait for until the show you what color it is. Since there is a little bit of mosquitoes issues here, we have placed some guppies and mollies also. I love watching these fishes in the fish pond. I have kept some plants also. I finished my first harvesting from this tomatoes. I got a kilo of tomatoes from this. This is my second harvest. So waiting for them to ripe little bit. You can see they're so tiny now. It tastes very good also. Tiny tiny tomatoes. Here are my small lemon trees or lime tree plants which I sowed some seeds. It was a surprise. I don't know whether it will come or no, but and this what plant it is, and I didn't sow any seed, but still it has come. If any one of you can identify it, please tell me what it is. Plant, curry leaf plant, which is growing very well. And here comes the competition. It was a competition between me and my two kids. So we sowed some seeds that are like first. So this is mine, all trees or plant, and next one is my second son's one. This is quite bigger than mine and my elders. And the elder son's one. He dumped all the potting mix into that pot. And here comes the surprise from a god. I never sowed this. Suddenly it comes. I think this is pumpkin. To keep negativity at bay, they say we have to do meditation. For me, gardening is a meditation. Gardening helped me a lot to keep the negativity, negative people and negative thoughts away from me. And now I can see lots of positive vibrations in my life. It's a small request from me to keep a greenery, a green plant in your house. Whichever is suitable for you in your environment or in your house, please have a plant in your house and you can see the difference in it. My passion regarding the gardening, I got it from my parents. My mom, she is a good gardener, so I got it from her. Now myself, I wanted to pass this to my kids, so I am involving them also. Each and every kid should know from where their food is growing. So this is one of the way we are helping our farmers. So after coming to this house, I rediscovered myself. They say when you have a calm mind, you can rethink of yourself, what you're passionate about. So my passion is cooking. One of the passion is cooking, and I love the crafts. So this rug, the table mat, this one I started in the previous house when the lockdown started in 2020, but I couldn't finish this one there since I didn't had a mood. When I started with a more enthusiasm, but I couldn't completed it. Jake, please. I started this one in my previous house, I think before the lockdown. Then you know how the life changed with the kids in the house, husband in the house, and I couldn't complete it there in my house. Actually, I thought of knitting it every day, but it became like 3 days a month. So in that house, it was only just 15 to 20% completed. Then once I shifted here, I could finish this completely. Now just a small tiny work is remaining. Anyway, I'll finish off very soon. So I started another project with my knitting. So like that, I am doing a lots of crafts here, lots of experiments in cooking, gardening, my kids' studies with my Saluki. The main thing is my weight loss. I'm in my weight loss journey now. After trying many diets, what and all in the net, I tried everything. It lasts only for few days or few months. Since 20 days I started this and I lost nearly 2 kgs. I was something around like 69. Now I'm 67. So I want to reduce still more. And this diet is helping me a lot. I think this is the best diet for all the foodies. I don't sacrifice any food here, but still I eat my foods. Still I am losing my weight. So this is what I did these 40 to 50 days, I think. So from here onwards I'll try to upload videos, minimum one video a week, hopefully. Now we are coming to end of this video, and you must be known why I was missing, where I was missing, what I was doing. I hope it satisfied you. We'll see you in the next interesting video with lots of positivity. Until then, take care. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video.